All right, our water is simmering, so we're just going to cook our asparagus for a very short amount of time. We're going to drop this in the water. And then we're going to go ahead, cut rings off an onion. Now you can use a white onion. I'm using a red onion to try and give this dish a little bit more color. So we're going to pour off our skins and dice our onion. So we're going to take our asparagus and we're really only going to blanch them for 20 to 30 seconds because we will be baking them in the oven again. So we're going to take our asparagus and drain them out, and then in the same pan we're going to take a tablespoon of butter. We're going to melt that, and we're going to add our onions.